What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode of Pado Recipe of Today. Again, I am Johnny Copador, expert chef, as to what others would say. And at the end of the episode, you're gonna wonder why I'm not present into one of those scenes, but who knows? Maybe that's also the answer on why I'm wearing long sleeves right now. It's because I'm taking a vacation in some place far away. Anywho, today's recipe will be all about the fruit cocktail. A special type of fruit cocktail, however, but I can't exactly define what kind of fruit cocktail is it. All I gotta say, it's another recipe with fruit cocktail as its ingredients or part of the recipe itself. By the way, as usual, to start the recipe, you need to prepare the following ingredients. First, you need to have a bowl of fruit cocktail, flour, egg yolk, condensed milk, sugar, and crushed grahams. Actually, that's all I can say about the ingredients. And like what I said, today's recipe will be all about a special type of fruit cocktail with special ingredients, including the fruit cocktail, of course. And since I'm not present in these following scenes, I guess my group mates will be there to explain how to do it and how to serve it for you.
Hey guys!
Yeah, hey there. But I do get a feeling that you guys are going to be in some sort of wrong.
We have a sweet tooth
Are you craving for something sweet?
that is delicious and yummy and healthy at the same time. Today we're going to teach you this simple yet delicious recipe. Dessert.
Oh, yeah, it's cool, Ben. A simple yet delicious recipe. Yeah, that's kind of a cool name, cool title for your recipe you're going to make. I mean, why not name your dessert the special type of fruit cocktail like what I'm doing here? Like I'm doing this entire monologue thing without a script. I guess you guys don't have a script too. Guess you don't need a script when you're trying to do some introduction to your recipe. Now don't get me wrong, I seriously may have some sort of mistakes, such as the background suddenly changed and I suddenly have my clothes changed. In fact, I forgot what that name of the recipe that my group made. That's why I named it only the special type of fruit cocktail, but in reality, it's actually called crema de fruta. Is it crema de fruta? So yeah, the crema de fruta is like a cake but with fruits in it. And I gotta admit, that kind of dessert is really shitty. And tasty too. And I guess you're all ready to get out there, and prepare some crema de fruta to satisfy all of our taste buds. Anyway, let's watch them do their job as they prepare the recipe.
Mandar ba to? Tingnan mo nga ako kung naandar.
Ano naman?
Okay.
Mas gawa na skip para i-iko na ilalagay.
Sa ingredients ko na kinano ha. Kinaus up sa ingredients. Malo ka naman, Cheya, para kang patay dyan. Dapat na paano eh, pataas eh, para mahaba. Napuputol mukha nyo eh. Ayan, para buo.
Basta mag-yung kaso, ano naman?
Saka na yun, hindi naman kami yung kanin.
Yan, kasi parang tabakan.
Hindi na, sige, wala yan. Baka nga, bro.
Matatandaan mo yung procedure na.
Kaya mo lang. Medyo.
Ano ba, ilalapit ko ba, be? Hindi kita yung mukha nyo. Ganun natin kaya. Yan. Yan, para mas buo.
Kasi parang diba?
Pinababang. Parang nasa, hindi, ay, babang.
Kasi
Saan? Ito?
Tapos medyo pa makita sa bawal.
Tagal nga, kanina pa kayo nagalo eh.
Ano? Uy, naku.
okay, nice touch. Gawin.
Natin na siguro kung sa kabila, lilinaw kayo. Madilim eh. Kaya nga kung nga iikot na ka. Kaya kung nga mas maliwanag dito, be. Yun. Parang the same. Yan. Hindi, kasi nga inaanap yung liwanag. Lahat madilim dun eh. Kahit hindi naman kita yung mukha niya. Kami na lang.
Oh my God. Pose. You're gonna pose.
Pause. Hindi.
Dang it. Ah. Ah, spirit. Oh gosh.
I-edit naman yan, di ba?
Ano yan? How to pose this shit?
Hindi ko lang.
Ibubuo. Lahat matanggal yung mga bubuo. Diba lang ko?
Yung lang electric.
Okay, meron ka mo. Diba? Ako.
May ano naman yan.
Walang...
Di ba sila pang pose?
Hindi ko alam yung poster eh.
Stop nyo na muna.
Salis.
One.
Ihay mo.
Hi mo muna para uminit.
Hindi na ako na
Then one.
Yan.
Okay na mga
Parang i-stop sa blue.
yung blue.
Parang wala naman nangyari. Hindi nyo magpil yung saving.
Gagawin na natin sa'yo. Sige, dali mo na Joma.
Kunyari, pero... Shit.
Wait. Ano itong isa? Tama ko dyan, be.
Boss mo na kapag...
Okay na.
Kunin mo na yung isa. The f- is that?
Tapos lagyan nyo ng ganito, di ba na? Di ba lalagyan nito na?
Lagyan nyo na lang ng konting ganito kasi hindi naman to okay lang to eh. Para magmukha siyang lugo.
Oo, sige, lagyan nyo.
Shut up.
Tanggalin niyo yan, mag-itas ang video yan.
We're creating a monstrosity.
Oh, ganda kayo sa gilid. Uy!
Lagyan nyo ng ganito, be, oh.
May tissue ba kayo, Ted?
Paano mapa-flat yan?
Tissue.
Lagyan mo nito.
Ito. Ibalik na dala ng peso.
Tissue.
Wala nang tissue, ano yung pen
Oh,
tissue?
yung gilid.
Ah,
Huwag na, wait.
kabayin mo na.
Dami yung mo.
Ayaw mo nga, nalimutan natin yan. Ba't pala
Lagay mo na lang.
Ang lalagyan niya yan. Sa gilid-gilid.
Para di sayang.
What the fuck is this shit?
Uy, ba't ano ginaganyan, Ted?
Di na,
Parang
nakabaon
siyang
kasi
naging
yun.
pancake paste.
It's disgusting.
Ay, grabe, yung cute kaya. It can be said.
Mainit siya.
Wala, mga bagong luto eh.
Uy! Huwag kang maingay.
Okay lang po, tatanggalin naman po yung audio.
Hindi, baka hindi alam ni ano na. Ano, i-include yung mainit siya. Nitin mo nga, be.
Okay lang po
Okay
yan.
na. Wala akong ano.
Okay na yan.
Ano yung mainit siya?
Pwede yung tep. Pwede
Tama na! Naku, wag nang ganun. Sa gilid-gilid lang.
Pwede namang i-video yung paggawa nila siya ng final product.
Oo nga.
Pwede hindi na natin kailangan gawin tomorrow.
Yung pan-tasting.
Oo.
Oo, yung
Kami na lang gagawa.
Yun dahil ko yung sa
Lagyan mo nito na.
Well, I gotta admit, you three did a very good job there, I admit there. Not bad for amateurs though. Those three really did a very good job, a really, really great job. Because I saw the outcome and it looked very delicious, very satisfying, and it makes me want to eat it, but fortunately, I wasn't there so I couldn't eat it. No wonder I'm hungry already. Like what they said in the introduction, what they're going to make is simple because it will be simple and quite easy to make. But at the outcome, it will be very delicious to taste. Anyway, that's all for today's episode. Tune in the next 20 years or so for another episode of Puddle Recipe of Today. Okay, send this live. Bye!
Isa pa. One. Take two. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey guys!
Now don't get me wrong.
Isa pa. Take three. Take three. Cut mo na lang. Take three. Take three.
Players ulit.
The crema de fruta is
Crema.
up.